Hey guys, we are going to be opening the Mirror Cube. Holy cow. This is... So, it's gold, as you can see. So, let's open it. So, some directions. So, yeah. So, let's put that up. Get with the cube. So, yeah. This is amazing. I can't believe I got this. It took me like so much. I was in Georgia while this. Holy cow. It's so amazing. It's really like smooth. So let's do first turns. So it's really smooth. And let's do checkerboard. Alright. Then yeah.
Daddy's here.
Checkerboard, guys.
Daddy's here.
Cool.
How did you do that?
I'm just super. Ava got a mirror cube too. So
Do you want me to try it?
yeah, it's very smooth and.
Can I look at these?
All right, bye guys.